rock. Oh.
The trucks park at the front. There's actually parking in a picnic area behind it. You can hike all the way around it.
So
Pretty
you
cool.
stayed up there?
Yeah. And there's
Nice.
some historical plaques and things. Like there was a couple of guys that had a ranch near here. A little bit of their story. It's a really nice spot to spend the night and watch the sun go down over there to the west, you know, in the evening.
Nice. And we have rain in the desert. I mean, there is snow, so we do know that, you know, sometimes there is precipitation, but we don't usually expect it. But we've been having rain on and off all day already. Look at the clouds over there hanging there.
7,200 feet.
Wow.
Still warm enough though. All this rain's not going to turn to ice.
Ooh, and look at over here. Ooh. Oh,
That's deep.
wow. Wow. Bad weather rolls in as we make our way along the last piece of I-70 westbound. We're going to get on to 15 at the end, heading south. We're still on our way to California. We hope you enjoyed these last few videos when we left the original sound with all the road noise and wind and the engine and the truck and the squeaky seat. So let's finish up this ride and hope that you enjoy it. So give it the thumbs up at any point if you do. Hey, what else? Oh, you can now buy us a coffee in the description or the pinned comment below. You'll find the link. And remember, if you decide to drive for CRETE, please do give them our referral code SLOKEV, SLOKEV. And that is how we're going to wind our way through these roads in the mountains and go over the Clear Creek Pass, over 7,000 feet. Buckle up. Let's finish up this ride. All right. Welcome to the joy of trucking. Let's go. And in this video, not only do you get to hear the sounds of the road and the truck, but also you'll get to hear Kevin's side of a phone call with Highway Junkie. So shout out to Highway Junkie.
Doing orientation there or something? Yeah. Okay. cool stuff that we don't see there. We've been there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll talk soon. Yeah, bye-bye. Look at this.
Yeah, how did this happen?
It's supposed to be a little bit of rain.
You checked the weather.
It's 40. Oh, it just dropped to 36 degrees. That's
yeah.
still.
That's not.
Let's get out of the mountains.
Let's get out of these mountains.
Let's go to Vegas where it's hot and sunny.
Yeah, please. This is not what I was expecting. I don't know where this came from.
So he says ARI or
what?
AIR or something.
Excuse me, I'm videoing here. Just one moment, please.
I cursed too?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, Yeah, there goes the PG rating. Good going, Kevin.
Here, so I can keep that.
Oh, man. Where'd this come from? What?
Easy ride.
It's all snow covered. It is very beautiful.
There's slush on the road.
Yeah.
It's not ice.
Not yet. But my goodness.
You're that guy when he was trying to pass me.
Well, and he cut you off really tight.
To get out of the slush.
Beautiful. A climbing lane. That's nice. They have an actual official climbing lane.
You've seen those all over the country.
I don't know if I've seen the sign. That's pretty cool. Yep, unfortunately, we saw a few more accidents along the way and then made it to Terrible's Hotel and Casino. Not quite Vegas, but it was fun nonetheless. Lots of things to look at, like these old cars. We hope you enjoyed this ride right to the end of Interstate 70 when it hits 15. So give it the thumbs up, put your comments and questions below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us. And, of course, have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.